case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a tangled web of real estate and legal deceit, plaintiffs William and Joe Lynn Hutchison purchased a property from the defendants, Robert and Carol Pyburn, in January 1973 for $24,000. Little did they know the property's lifeblood was polluted. It was not approved as a home site and was unable to handle sewage disposal due to a lack of necessary topsoil. The defendants were more than aware of this issue, but despite this knowledge, they knowingly sold the property to the unsuspecting Hutchisons. The man who built the house, Jack Williams, and his brother real estate agent John Williams, were also defendants in the case. By July of 1973, the sewage problem had surfaced, and the Metropolitan Department of Codes Administration had admitted to permitting Jack Williams to build on the site by mistake. This legal and literal mess culminated in a lawsuit, with the Hutchisons fighting against their faulty purchase and fraudulent sellers. Chancery Court of Davidson County came down heavy on the defendants. They were permitted to recover incidental damages, moving costs, and attorney's fees, while deducting the reasonable rental value of the property for their brief residence. But it didn't stop there. The court also awarded the plaintiffs punitive damages as a penalty for fraudulent conduct. The Tennessee Court of Appeals held firm to the original decree, maintaining that punitive damages in deception-driven cases are not only appropriate, but necessary. The court stressed that these penalties were not to compensate for a plaintiff's losses, but to set a clear example of the defendant's misconduct. The Court of Appeals upheld the punitive damages, suggesting that the defendant's conduct and intent were too damaging not to impose a further penalty. This late 20th century case set a legal precedent that continues to show, in the murky waters of real estate, dishonesty doesn't just sink ships, it can sink bank accounts too.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.